So welcome to this series. This is a two-part series. The first part is more about I'm going to talk about तीन ऐसी companies के बारे में बात करेंगे जो FNO सेक्टर में हैं और जिसमें मैं definitely in the very near term, maybe from Monday. So आज 29th of August है, maybe for the last two trading sessions in August and for the first week of September, I think these three companies are going to give a very good return. और ये सेकंड पार्ट इसकी वीडियो और एक डिफरेंट वीडियो होगी, उसमें मैं ऐसे तीन चार स्टॉक्स के बारे में बात करूंगा जो कैश काउंटर में है और जिसमें मैं डेफिनेटली एक बहुत ही बुलिश सेंटिमेंट देखने चाहता हूँ एंड मे बी दिस इज़ गोइंग टू हैपन वेरी सून. So let's start this part one. Here I am going to talk about only three companies जिसमें मुझे लगता है going forward there can be a good move, and we are going to discuss these companies one after another. So the first company I want to talk about is Ultratech Cement. Here you can see that since a long time ये जो pink line है, this has acted like a very good support, and just a few sessions ago, rather few weeks ago, यहाँ पे एक breakout आई थी, right, and then it tried to correct, and correction में एक जो बहुत अच्छी चीज़ हुई कि it was not able to go ahead and touch this particular level जहाँ से breakout आई थी, but rather it was able to hold it much ahead. तो मुझे जो रिवर्सल का ट्रैकिंग है वो 7200 लेवल्स पे आती है, अराउंड अबाउट हियर 7150 लेवल्स, बट हियर यू कैन सी ये 7300 से ही अच्छी रिवर्सल दी है, एंड गोइंग फॉरवर्ड इट वाज एबल टू गिव अ वेरी गुड क्लोज. एंड हियर वन ऑफ द थिंग्स विच इज़ very important and very interesting, or the same pattern you are also going to see in the next two companies which I am going to discuss is here from, if you again see, so this was also able to give. So अगर हम hourly chart पे जाते हैं, just a moment, it's taking time, come on, okay, yeah. So hourly chart पे जाते हैं, you can see that this was a very good breakout. So let's delete this line, क्योंकि जब भी आप कोई ऐसा line draw करते हो, always make sure that you do it on a hourly chart. So here, right, so यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हो कि after a good reversal यहाँ से just within one trading session it was able to recoup from 7300 and it went towards 7600. Going forward multiple times ये एक it has acted like a resistance in the previous instances, and to this time also it's very near to its resistance. So going forward अगर ये फिर से अगर 7600 के ऊपर अगर ट्रेड करना स्टार्ट की, and especially you can have 7620 as a important level, and especially अगर 7700 के ऊपर गई, because the reason is pretty simple. अगर आप horizontal line wise देखते हो, this level has always acted like a very severe resistance. So if it is able to take out 7700, then definitely इसमें और भी momentum आएगी and it will go towards a new all time high. मैंने एक वीडियो पोस्ट किया where I discussed all the FNO counters, and there was one particular sector which I really am very bullish for the next week, and that's the cement sector, जिसमें मैं similar pattern देखता हूँ. But for me, I think going forward, Ultratech Cement is definitely one of the counters which should be in your radar. And going forward अगर ये 7500 के ऊपर तक अगर जब तक रहती है, so that's absolutely not a problem, and maybe going forward this would be able to take some time over here and move forward. One of the good things which happened over here is जब ये यहाँ पे आई थी, the next candle was immediately a red one with a big body. Here you can see it is just consolidating. So definitely keep this in your radar, and you never know how far this particular trend and momentum will continue. This is definitely a very good counter. The next company I want to talk about is Hindalco. This is the second company out of the three companies, और इसमें भी एक similar structure आप देख पा रहे हो. So let me just do it on a here. Okay, let's go for a daily time frame. So here you can see this stock was always in an up move, and definitely it's in one of a very good sector, and going forward it was always able to sort of take support from this pink line. Let me just change the color, and here there was a sort of breakout from these levels of 400. It dipped towards 400, it got a good support, and right now you see it's going up, right? And it has recovered nearly 10% from the levels of 400 in just a matter of 2 sessions. Going forward, this is definitely another stock जो मैं बोलूँगा कि you should be keeping in your radar. And अगर ये 443 444 लेवल्स के ऊपर अगर ट्रेड करना स्टार्ट कर दे, so definitely this is also going for the next up move. यहाँ पे एक बहुत अच्छी एक sort of यहाँ पे एक flag pattern बनी थी, and here maybe I can change it to black here. Yeah, this one. So ये एक बहुत अच्छी एक range में थी, and now it's again trying to retest this breakout zone. So keep a track, and maybe going forward I am pretty confident अगर ये 430 के नीचे अगर नहीं dip करती है, then and if it is able to maintain these hold these levels, so maybe going forward this would be the next stock in my radar. 445 446 maybe a very good sort of target or resistance. So right now it closed at 438 levels. So going forward, we have to see how this moves. लेकिन अगर the sentiment of the market is not that bad, this would be a very good stock for our trading purpose. And the third company which I really want to discuss right now is DIVISLAB. This is absolutely trading near all-time high, and ये भी बहुत अच्छी एक up pattern में है since weeks now, and so definitely companies like this isme you can see that there has always been a buying interest from lower levels, and from a daily perspective it has also moved quite a lot. Last session में इसने बहुत अच्छी closing दी है, and the reason why this is particularly the reason why I am seeing this popping up in my scanner, and the reason is here sort of. This after a very good recovery from 4700 levels, it was always trading in a particular channel, and you can see there's long wicks which are actually coming, which showcases there is a lot of buying happening. So try to keep 4940 as a very good level to watch out for in DIVISLAB, and maybe going forward अगर ये 4940 especially 4950 ये यहाँ पे एक बहुत बड़ी एक resistance है in terms of it has always 4950 4960 इस level पे एक बहुत अच्छी resistance hai. So going forward, if it is able to take it out, last time it tried, there was a drastic fall which made it correct towards the levels of 4750 levels, but no matter what, it was again able to recoup, and right now it's again retesting this channel resistance. अगर ये अच्छी एक closing देती है, especially then maybe the levels of 5000 is where it made an all-time high if you look into the monthly chart. So you can see it's one of the very good companies जहाँ पे since long there have been a lot of buying interest, and going forward I think this is going to continue. Thanks a lot for listening. Hope these three companies, Hindalco, DIVISLAB and Ultra Tech Cement, is going to be a good trade for you to monitor and take part in. Bye bye.